Open the cap of water inlet. Add pure water until it reaches the green area, close to the yellow area. Release the emergency stopper. Wait until the water temperature rises to 22 degrees C, and then restart the machine. Enter the password 1 to enter the cleaning management interface. Click a swing to adjust the scanning graphic parameters. Click power to adjust laser parameters. Click a sway and a laser. Open the storage compartment lid and take out the cleaning head. Remove the cap of the cleaning head. Click the button once and adjust the focal length until the 2 points coincide. Double-click and keep pressing the cleaning head button to start emitting laser.